This is a massive landscape-shifting bomb dropped on the NFL, and it has absolutely nothing to do with what happens on the field. Detroit Lions starting cornerback Terrion Arnold has officially turned himself in to Florida law enforcement, and he is facing a situation that could genuinely end his football career and alter his entire life. The Hillsborough County State Attorney's Office and the Tampa Police Department officially announced that Arnold is facing 8 total felony counts. We are talking 4 counts of armed robbery with a firearm or deadly weapon and 4 counts of kidnapping. According to the state attorney, because of the severity of these specific felony charges, the 23-year-old former first-round pick is looking at a potential maximum sentence of up to life in prison. He is currently being held with no bond. The details coming out of the police investigation are wild. Authorities are calling Arnold the primary conspirator behind a targeted retaliation plot that went down back in February. Allegedly, Arnold had over $250,000 worth of personal property stolen from an Airbnb he was renting in Largo, Florida. Police say Arnold mistakenly believed a group of teens was behind the theft, even though investigators later proved those teens had absolutely nothing to do with it. According to the official police release, Arnold and his associates allegedly orchestrated a setup to lure 3 victims to a Tampa apartment. Once there, the victims were ambushed, held at gunpoint, and pistol-whipped. The investigation claims the initial assault was actually live-streamed directly to Arnold while he was on his way to the location, and that he later arrived at the scene while the textbook definition of an armed robbery was still playing out. 6 other individuals have already been apprehended in connection to the case over the last few months. Arnold's representation, EAG Sports Management, dropped a heavy statement completely denying the allegations. They are maintaining his total innocence, claiming there is zero credible evidence tying him to the crime, and stating that the government is leaning entirely on the testimony of co-defendants who have major incentives to try and shift the blame to lower their own sentences. The Detroit Lions and the NFL have both acknowledged the arrest, but are completely locking down and refusing to comment any further while the legal process plays out. Arnold is scheduled to make his first court appearance this afternoon, where prosecutors have already made it clear they will file a motion to keep him locked up without bond until a full trial.